Check this out. This one's all metal, super solid, and feels premium in the hand. The spin, silky smooth. The weight, just right. You can actually feel the quality. Perfect for stress relief, focus, or just zoning out while you're on a call or thinking through something. It's low-key addictive in a good way. And honestly, it looks cool. No neon colors or kid vibes. Just clean, minimal design that actually fits on an adult's desk. If you're the type who always needs to be doing something with your hands, this is your new favorite thing. Just spin and chill. Grab yours now.